Alright, so the next thing I'm going to do is create a time lapse. So I'm going to set up my view for that first. So I'm going to use my V6, which is the third one, and then I'm just going to sort of use Enscape to pan around, maybe get me into a little bit different view. And since I've gotten myself into a different view, I'm going to go ahead and come in and save that view. So under the tools, you can create a 3D view. And for some reason it does that the first time in this version. Let's see if I can create a 3D view. There you go. And it will actually create a Enscape 3D view in Revit. So I'm just going to name this Time-Lapse. Right? And so you'll see it create that over there. So now you have this view saved if you ever need to access it here, or of course in the pull down here. So now what we want to do is we want to create a time-lapse video. And so I'll come and bring out my video editor, and I'm going to remove all the keyframes. I'm going to add a keyframe, right? And then I'm going to add another keyframe, and I'm going to double click on this guy, and you'll see that I'm on keyframe 2 of 2. So if I do the back, it'll take me to the 1 of 2 and then 2 of 2. So I basically have 2 keyframes on top of each other. So what I'm going to do is just move this guy to maybe 6 seconds. So basically I'm standing still for 6 seconds, right? And then what I can do is change the time of day, right? So the time of day started at 10 o'clock, right? So and ended at 10 o'clock, so it didn't move. So I'm just going to move it through the day, until maybe there, and I'll hit apply. And then I'll go back, right, to 1 of 2, and then I'll move it maybe to the beginning of the day, and then apply. And then let's go back and let's preview that guy. So you can see the sun is moving through the space, right? All right, and then really all you've got to do is you can again do what we did before. You can come into video and you can save that camera path if you want to, and you can render that video out. So that's pretty much it for that. I mean, you could add other things. One thing you can do is, let's go ahead and leave this. One thing you can think about doing is you could have a still shot here, and maybe I'll do this. I'll make a still shot here, and then I go in and change the material, and you have another still shot with the new material, and you can put that together in the video to show transition between materials. So maybe I'll do that as well when we put the video together. All right.